Good morning, children. This is Ma'am S.T. Joshi, and I am here to teach you English literature. And this is class 3, isn't it? Okay. Do you remember which lesson we were doing last time? Do you remember? Think. Yes, it was nature's gift. It was lesson number 2, nature's gift. And do you remember the story? Yes. Do you remember? Yes, you all are very good children. आप सब बहुत अच्छे हैं, आपका माइंड बहुत अच्छा है, आप कुछ भूलते नहीं, यू डोंट फॉरगेट एनीथिंग. Yes, I know you have not forgotten the lesson. The lesson is the nature's gift. And what is the story about? This story is about a baby elephant and his friend, the Baya Weaver bird. And both of them are very good friends. Okay, and what happens, I am just revising the lesson with you once, and as I did previously, I read it to you. I will just revise it for you, and then I will complete the lesson for you today, and I will explain you the word meanings. Okay, now let us get started. Now, the Baya Weaver bird and the baby elephant are very good friends. Okay, and one day the baby elephant asks the Baya Weaver bird, he tells him he is sad about something. And what is he sad about? वो किसी बात से बहुत दुखी है बेबी एलिफेंट, और वो अपनी फ्रेंड से कहता है, बाया वीवर बर्ड से, he says, I wish I had wings. I wish I had wings. Do you also wish sometimes that you have wings and then you can fly high in the sky? Yes, in the same way, the baby elephant also had a wish in his heart. He wanted to fly high in the sky with his friend the Baya Weaver bird and play hide and seek. And I told you the meaning of hide and seek. It is, what is it? There are many players in it. One of them puts his hands on his face, on his eyes, and then the others go, and then this person and this child or whoever he is, he has to take off his hand and then go looking for the other players. Okay, जिसे हम छुपन छुपाई भी कहते हैं. And he wants to play this hide and seek in the clouds. Okay, hiding behind the clouds and then coming out. Okay, well, he wants to play this game with his friend the Baya Weaver bird. And after listening to the elephant, the Baya Weaver bird says, yes my friend, you are right. And then she starts thinking the whole day, how can I help my friend? कैसे मैं अपनी फ्रेंड की कैसे हेल्प करूँ, कैसे उसके विंग्स हो सकते हैं. And a thought, an idea comes to her mind. And what is the idea? She goes to other Baya Weaver birds. She goes to other birds. Okay, and she tells them, okay, all of you listen to me. All of you pull out one feather from your body, and we will collect all the feathers, and we will give these feathers as a gift to the baby elephant. And all the other Baya Weaver birds agree. They say, okay, ठीक है मैम, हम ये काम आपके लिए कर देंगे. Okay, and they all collect all the feathers, and lots of feathers, like a mountain, like a small mountain, a heap of feathers they have collected. Lots, and heap means lots and lots of feathers. Okay, and then they go and then they gift it to the elephant, the baby elephant, and he is very very happy. He's seeing, oh, my friend is so good, she is helping me, she is trying so hard to help me. है ना, आपके फ्रेंड्स जब आपकी हेल्प करते हैं और बहुत मेहनत करते हैं तो आपको अच्छा लगता है ना. सो ऐसे ही बाया जो बेबी एलिफेंट है उसको भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वाह, मेरी फ्रेंड मेरी हेल्प करने के लिए कितना कुछ कर रही है. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंस एंड what does the Baya Weaver bird do? Let us see, let us read, and then I will explain it to you. This was the previous part. Okay, now let us read further and then I will explain it to you. Now they have all of them have gathered the feathers. Now let us see what happens. And she brings all the feathers to the Baya Weaver bird. The other birds agree. Okay, the other birds have agreed. They have said, yes, we will help you. Everyone starts pulling out feathers from their bodies, and soon a heap of feathers is there. The Baya Weaver bird starts weaving a pair of wings Even the elephant gets excited. What is weaving? Stitching. You know the buyer weaver bird? I told you in the previous lesson, in the previous class, the buyer weaver bird is a tropical bird, and it weaves its nests, and it takes grass and twigs, okay, small stems, and it weaves its nest. उसका जो nest होता है बहुत बड़ा सा होता है, वो उसको सिलती है. So in the same way she stitches, she uses her talent, okay, she uses her talent, her gift, to help his friend the baby elephant. She stitches all, she gathers ऑल द फेदर्स, वो सारे फेदर्स को इकट्ठा करती है, उसको स्टिच करना शुरू करती है. ओके, शी स्टार्ट्स टू स्टिच इट, शी स्टार्ट्स टू वीव इट, एंड शी मेक्स अ पेयर ऑफ विंग्स, अ पेयर ऑफ विंग्स. वो अपने फ्रेंड के लिए एक विंग्स बना लेती है, एक पेयर ऑफ विंग्स. ओके, और एंड देन शी गोज टू द बेबी एलिफेंट एंड शी ट्राइज टू अटैच देम, और वो उसको यहाँ पे रस्सी से विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ रोप वो उसको लगा देती है. शी एंड शी सेज टू his friend baby elephant, here you are, here are your pair of wings, now you can fly. Okay, and the baby elephant is really very happy. Okay, can you see in the picture? He is so cute. Okay, and he says, what does the baby elephant say? Oh yes, thank you so much. When somebody brings for you and somebody tries so hard to help you, जब आपकी कोई हेल्प करना चाहता है और आपके लिए कुछ लेकर आता है, तो आप क्या बोलते हैं? What do you say? You say thank you. The baby elephant also says thank you. Now let us read further. The buyer weaver bird takes the baby elephant to a hilltop. Where does the buyer weaver bird take the elephant? He takes the elephant to a hilltop. What is a hill? Hill is a kind of a small mountain. Okay, and what is a hilltop? The top of the hill. Okay, this is a hill और ये इसका top है. And the baby and the buyer weaver bird takes the baby elephant to the hilltop, and she fixes the wings. ओके, उसके हैंड्स में वो विंग्स को फिक्स कर देती है. एंड शी नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इज शी टीचिंग हिम. फ्रेंड, शी सेज, फर्स्ट स्टार्ट रनिंग, पहले भागना, फर्स्ट स्टार्ट रनिंग. शी टीचेज हिम हाउ टू फ्लाई. ओके, शी टीचेज हिम हाउ टू फ्लाई. What do you think? Will the elephant will be able to fly? Let us see. I don't think so. Okay, first start running, then jump from the hilltop, and then with the help of your front legs start flapping your wings. What does the buyer weaver bird say? First start running, then jump, and then with the help of your legs, front legs, उसके जो पैर होते हैं आगे के बेबी एलिफेंट के, उसको ऐसे ऐसे फ्लैप करना है तुम्हें. ओके, with your way, as you learn to fly a little, try to push yourself forward. और जैसे जैसे तुम धीमे धीमे थोड़ा सा फ्लाई करते हो और अपने आप को आगे पुश करना, पुश योर सेल्फ फॉरवर्ड. ओके, फ्लैप योर विंग्स दैट आई हैव मेड फॉर यू. मूव योर हैंड्स अप एंड डाउन. Okay, like this, move your hands up and down like this, the wings will go like this, then little you will fly, and then push yourself, okay, yourself forward with the help of your wings. Once you are able to do this, and the buyer weaver bird says, एक बार जब तुम ऐसे करने लगोगे ना, फिर मैं तुम्हें और बातें बताऊंगी कैसे उड़ा जाता है. She tells him, once you are able to do this, then I will tell you other tricks how you can fly. And the buyer weaver bird and the baby elephant are really happy. Now let us see what happens. The baby elephant is full of excitement. The baby elephant is so happy. Okay, when you are going to zoo or when you are going for some outing, aren't you excited? Or when you are going, and when somebody gives you a cycle, you don't know how to ride a cycle, but you are really excited. Okay, जब जैसी बैठूंगी वैसे मैं चलाने लगूंगी. हम कई बार ऐसा सोचते हैं, पर ऐसा होता नहीं है. Okay, now let us see what happens. He comes running, he jumps from the hilltop. He thinks it is simple, but instead of flying, he starts falling down. He then tries to flap his wings in vain. What happens? He follows all the instructions of the buyer weaver bird. वो अपने friend buyer weaver bird के सारे instructions को follow करता है. And what does he do? He runs, he jumps, and he thinks, oh, it's very simple, बहुत आसान है. उड़ना तो बहुत आसान है, मेरी फ्रेंड उड़ती रहती है, आज मैं भी उड़ लूँगा. ही थिंक्स इट्स वेरी सिंपल, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ फ्लाइंग he comes down. Instead of going up, he comes down, and he starts falling on the ground, and he tries to flap his wings, and he thinks he will go up. वो सोचता है कि अपने विंग्स को फ्लैप करेगा और ऊपर चला जाएगा, लेकिन वो ऊपर नहीं जा पाता है, वो तो और नीचे आ जाता है. एंड all is in vain. What do you mean by vain? सब बेकार हो जाना. Okay, it unsuccessful हो जाना. All the hard work and everything becomes unsuccessful. The baby elephant is not able to fly. Let us see what happens further. When the baby elephant falls, he smashes many trees and wings get stuck in the tree trunk. He falls on the ground with a loud thud. The weaver bird is hurt to see his friend in pain, but the both friends learn a lesson. Now what happens? Instead of flying, उड़ने के बजाय, he starts falling down. वो नीचे आने लगता है. And he smashes many trees. और बहुत से, and he goes and crashes in many trees. He gets his wings get stuck. उसके विंग्स जो है ट्रीज में स्टक हो जाते हैं, फंस जाते हैं. Okay, and he is very hurt. He is very sad from his heart, and his body is also hurt. Okay, and with a loud noise like this, a loud thud noise comes, and everything smashes. Okay, a loud thud means something very heavy falling. Okay, and making a very thick, very strong sound like this. He falls, and he smashes everything. He smashes all the trees. He gets hurt. His wings get stuck in the trees, and he is in a lot of pain. Both the Baya weaver bird and the baby elephant, both are very hurt. They are very, very sad. Why? Because they tried so hard. All the birds took out the feathers. Then the Baya weaver bird stitched it and made it a pair of wings. Then she attached it, fixed it in the baby elephant's body. Okay, then he tried, and he jumps and he pushes. Everything is in vain. सब बेकार हो जाता है. उड़ना, उसका बनाना, feathers को बनाना, feathers का निकालना, उसको बनाना, सब everything is in vain. Okay, and they both learn a lesson. Now let us see what the Baya weaver bird says to the baby elephant. Friend, nature has given me the gift of flight. Nature has given me the gift of flight. It means God has given me wings so that I can fly. Okay, birds have been made to fly. You have been given the gift of strength. And he says to the Baya weaver bird says to the baby elephant, you elephant, you have been given power. You have been given strength by the nature. Okay, the elephant is a very powerful, very strong animal. Okay, the birds can fly. They are not very strong. They are very weak. Okay, but the elephants, they cannot fly, but they are very strong and very helpful. Okay, and we may have, and what does the baby Baya weaver bird say? We need not to be sad. She said, don't be sad. We have different abilities, but at heart we are all the same. Okay, what does she want to say? She says that we all are different. Okay, you are powerful, you are strong, I can fly in the sky. We both are different, but in the heart we are the same. तुम्हारे पास स्ट्रेंथ है, तुम्हारे पास शक्ति है, मैं उड़ सकती हूँ, हम दोनों डिफरेंट हैं, बट दिल से हम एक जैसे हैं. ओके, इसलिए डोंट बी सैड, इसलिए दुखी होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड व्हाट डज द बेबी एलिफेंट से? द बेबी एलिफेंट सेज, यू आर राइट माई फ्रेंड. शी सेज, तुम बिल्कुल ठीक हो, तुम सही कह रही हो. द बेबी एलिफेंट्स, तुम सही कह रहे हो. बेबी एलिफेंट ने बाया वीवर बर्ड से कहा. सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन व्हाट डज दिस लेसन वांट टू टेल अस? दिस लेसन वांट्स टू टीच अस दैट we should not compare ourselves with others. We should not try to be like others. We should we should understand, we should know our own abilities. हमें एक दूसरे से compare नहीं करना है. We should learn from others, okay? If we should learn from our friends, we should learn from our teachers, from our parents, from our brothers and sisters, but we should not compare ourselves. हमें एक दूसरे से सीखना है पर compare नहीं करना है, okay? Somebody can write a beautiful poem, somebody can dance well, somebody can act well, okay? Somebody can sing well. We all are different, okay? We should not be sad. Somebody is tall, somebody is short, somebody has curly hair, somebody has straight hair, okay? Somebody likes chow mein, somebody likes pizza, somebody likes biryani, somebody likes kebab, somebody likes paneer, okay? We all are different. Somebody likes cold drink and somebody likes mango maza, okay? We all are different. We should not compare ourselves. We should not compare ourselves. Don't try to be like others. God has given all of you different abilities. Recognize, understand, and find out what you are good at. Understand and find out your strength. What are you good at? आप किस बात में अच्छे हैं, उस बात को आप समझिए. अपने आप को कंपेयर मत करिए किसी से भी. Do you understand the lesson? This lesson is a very beautiful lesson. Read it again and again. I have explained it to you, and in the next video I will tell you the meanings of the lesson, okay? So God bless you, and don't compare yourself with others, and sharpen your abilities. Whatever gifts God has given you, use it. If you sing well, sing. If you write well, write. If you draw well, draw. If you dance well, dance, okay? And in whatever you do, obey your parents. God bless you.